Hello po, Sir Mita po. Ang naka-highlight po sa amin na SOP is yung ating promo na personalized planner. 50 pesos only na lang po. Effective po siya since may nakuha kaming 100 pieces na bulk po. And then yung bago nating posting ng bundle promo ng polo shirt, two-tone, and sports jog for 400 only na lang. Meron na siyang 5 engagement. And then yung Brigada Eskwela na posting po na 250 only na lang. And then yung ating ROM posting ng Dad Selfie Challenge. Meron na po siyang 10 engagement. And then yung done orders natin ng full sublimation ng mga luneta photographer po. Na-postil po namin yan bulk. And dito po sa ating dry fit, long sleeve po na 180 na lang po. And then yung ating done orders po ng Barangay 732 na barangay uniform po, full sublimation, full bleed color po. And then yung ating gradient glitter mug starts at 200 with 3 engagement. And then yung done orders po natin ng dry fit premium nakuha natin sa store. And then yung ating ROM posting ng personalized ball pen starts at 8 pesos. Effective naman siya since may na-close deal tayo na 30 pieces. And then yung ating bundle promo ng Transmit Design na bundle for 250 with box po. And then yung ating ROM posting ng customized umbrella starts at 150. And then yung customized lanyard na ROM posting and yung done orders po ng embroidery, same day delivery po and production. And then yung ating crystal plaque na ROM posting. And yung ating gradient glass frosted mug po na buy 3 get 1. Yun lang po, thank you.